Hello and welcome to my second tutorial on the subject of cracking. In this tutorial, I'll be covering the subject of how to find specific logins using Raptor. As you can see, I have the file pack here for my first tutorial, which contains everything we'll be using for this exercise. First of all, we're going to need to run Athena, hit start, and allow it to run for a period of 2 hours or more, so that it can leach a decent amount of logins. I already have some logins leached right now, so I'm just going to hit stop and exit. Next, you're going to need to run Raptor, or if you haven't installed it yet, run the Raptor 3 setup. So let me just start up Raptor. Let me just resize it. Alright, now this is where it gets a little different. You're going to need to go open, and then open your logins.txt. Now, as you can see here, there's a bunch of sites by the logins. We're going to use that to filter out logins for the specific site we're looking for. So here I just see a bunch of logins for something called foxes.com, so I'm just going to filter for that. So I'm going to add a filter. We're going to say keep if it has. I'll just call this filter. You're going to line has any. Then I'll just search foxes. And then hit OK. Now you're going to check this box here, and you're going to filter. As you can see, it has filtered out all the logins except for the ones that have foxes in the name. So now basically, you'll have to manually check these logins by going to the site and entering the login and checking if it works. This is kind of slow and tedious, but if you can't get working proxies for Apex, it's basically the only way you can do it. So basically what you find out, working login, you're set. This concludes my tutorial on how to find specific logins with Raptor. As you can see, it is very basic and a lot easier to do, even though it could be more tedious once you actually have to test the logins. Goodbye.